First we're gonna start with done. First step done. Okay, I'm using CORSAIR SPEC-DELTA S. SPEC-DELTA, something like that. I'll put it in the link on the description below, and I'll put the link for it. Amazon link. America and UAE. Pakistan, I think the American link ships to Pakistan also. So I have changed the front fans to top and then exhaust. Let's put the motherboard in. The correct way, which is this. Oh, I'm forgetting something. Oopsie. I'm forgetting the IO shield. Okay. Delta spec. Get an IO shield first. Install it. Install IO shield. Don't involve money that I don't accept. Okay, so the problem was this fan was too low, so the wire was coming in between the shield, so it was not getting fit into the standoffs, Thermaltake, DDR4, 36GB, warranty. Oh, lifetime but limited. RGB. Not the first one. Always, if it's a dual channel, always do 2 and 4 or 1 and 3. I'm going to do it from here. From the CPU, leave 1 and then see the chip over here. Cut. We need to align it with this. So open up. This one does not. This side opens only for this motherboard. So this is how we install RAM. So I have P1 crucial. Here there are 2 spots. This is Gen 4, this is Gen 3. It doesn't matter. So I'm still going to be putting it in Gen 4 slot. Get an SSD standoff. It comes with the motherboard supplied. I'm going to put both of these standoffs in so that in the future I don't lose them. Sorry for the glare. Hopefully future videos won't have the glare. But ML360R RGB, so it's a pretty good. It works with Aura Sync, Polychrome Sync, Gigabyte MSI. There's 16 million colors and has an RGB controller. If you do not have RGB headers on your motherboard. So this is how you install it. Let's do it step by step. First, we're not remove these standoffs from the motherboard. We're going to use the same standoffs and find the AM4 brackets which look like this, okay, and install them under the AIO, on the AIO. The way to install them is you put them in like this, align with the hole and screw it in through here. Get your camera here. Remove this plastic Okay. We don't need this. Get your thermal paste. It is supply anymore. Oops. It's okay, I'll get it later. Apply. Agree on a price. Slide the radiator in. It's very easy. Find a slot, the 16X slot, unlock it. Okay. Graphic card what we are using is going to be Radeon RX 5500 XT. A good entry level graphic card, 1080p gaming. Let's get this open.
But I'm up now, we all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming up, I left them all. Never look down when there's risk involved. I got guts, got a lot, I gotta wish it all. Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that king, motion. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
No rise up. Rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a path that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the night won't scare us falling.
We're going to be opening Redragon, no idea what it's called. I think it's Redragon, whatever. So I've already pre-assembled the wiring which I need to save time. So let's get rid of the box. I'll show you. There you go. So this is the fully modular 600 watt 80 plus bronze, yeah, bronze, 80 plus bronze. So I have some good level of efficiency, around 85 to 88% of efficiency. No need. There you go. I already Okay, the RGB is not working. I don't know why. Yeah! We have press F1 to set up. BIOS. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked my video. Please share, subscribe, and like my video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. Thank you. Peace.